I wanna show you how to crochet big amigurumi. I use acrylic yarn and 2mm crochet hook. Before that, please subscribe this channel. We start making head. First row, make 6 single crochet in magic circle. Second row, make increase by 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Finish second row. Row 3, make 1 single crochet, then 1 increase in the next stitch. One single crochet, then increase by 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Repeat again, 1 single crochet, then 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Do it for all round.
Finish row 3.
Row 4, make 1 single crochet in the next stitch. One single crochet, then increase by 2 single crochet in the same stitch, and make 1 single crochet again in the next stitch. Repeat, 1 single crochet, then 2 single crochet in the same stitch, then 1 single crochet. Repeat for all round. Finish row 3, row 5, make 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, then increase by 2 single crochet in the same stitch, make 3 single crochet again, then increase by 2 single crochet in the same stitch, repeat. Finish row 5, row 9, make 2 single crochet, 1, 2, then increase by 2 single crochet in the same stitch, then make 2 single crochet again, repeat 2 single crochet, increase by 2 single crochet in the same stitch, then 2 single crochet, repeat for all stitches. Finish row 6, row 7, make 5 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 1 increase, repeat 5 single crochet, then increase by 2 single crochet in the same stitch, repeat for all stitches. Finish row 7. In the next 4 rows, make 1 single crochet for all stitches from row 8 until 11. I have finished row 11. Now row 12, make 8 single crochet, then make 2 increase, make increase, make 1 increase, then 2 single crochet, repeat, increase, then 2 single crochet in the next stitch. Then make 3 increase, 1, 2, 3, and make 8 single crochet for next stitch. Finish row 12. For next 6 rows, make 1 single crochet for all stitches. Finish row 18. For row 19, make 2 single crochet, then decrease by 2 single crochet together, then make 2 single crochet, repeat 2 single crochet, then decrease by 2 single crochet together, then 2 single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat for all stitches. Finish row 19, row 20, 3 single crochet, decrease by 2 single crochet together, 3 single crochet, decrease by 2 single crochet together. Repeat for all stitches. Finish row 20, row 21, one single crochet, then make 2 single crochet together and make 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat 1 single crochet, decrease by 2 single crochet together, then 1 single crochet. Repeat for all stitches. Okay, finish row 21. Row 22, make 1 single crochet, then decrease by 2 single crochet together in next stitch. 1 single crochet, then decrease by 2 single crochet together in the next stitch. Repeat for all stitches. Row 23, make decrease by 2 single crochet together, decrease again, finish forehead. Just cut the yarn, leaving with long tail for sewing, then fill with dark round. This is the head after stuffing.